everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. And today I am early in the afternoon doing my live. I've got some other tasks in the evening to complete. So I wanted to finish this. I didn't want to miss this challenge that I am doing. So today is day 9 of my 10 days challenge, go live challenge every day. So thank you everyone for all your love, for all your support that you have been showing consistently every day on my live, whether you're watching it live or whether you're watching the replay of it. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the people, all the followers on my page. And there are some people who have recently started following my page. So for all of them, a little introduction of myself first. My name is Sheetal Lobo. I am a proud child of God. I am a mother of three amazing young boys, a teacher by profession, and now a proud digital business owner and a mentor. And I am living in Abu Dhabi, UAE with my family. I am from Mumbai, India. And so this is a bit of an introduction of me. And I've been doing this business, online business, for the last 4 years. And I enjoy every day of my journey as an entrepreneur, learning new skills, learning to believe in myself, learning to see beyond what I can see, and learning to believe in my dreams and give wings to my dreams that I can achieve my dreams and my goals and do something for my family much more than what I'm doing now, and build a legacy for my children and build a better future for us and enjoying our golden years without any stress. So this is about me and what I do and what I love about this business. And so, as I told you, today is day 9 of the 10 days Go Live challenge. And today's topic is all about empowering messages or empowering message on not giving up. So, basically, it is today I'm going to be talking about people who did not give up even when they didn't see results, even when they failed hundred times or many times that they failed, but they kept going on. And I have read many quotes, and I also believe in those quotes which says that failures are the stepping stones to our success. So if there is no failure, there is something not happening the right way, I believe. And as for my story, as for my testimonial, I want to say that when I started this digital business journey, sorry, I did not see instant success. It took me time because I took time to learn the skills. I learned the skills at my own pace, and I'm proud of it that I took time. I did face challenges of learning the skills because it was all new to me. But I learned the skills slowly, gradually, every passing day. I stepped into my failures, into my dreams. Through my failures, they were my stepping stones. And my failures were like not believing in myself and not believing in what I was doing. I always felt that I was not doing more than enough. So that kept hold of me from going forward and seeing what I had to see. So I am really grateful that I learned through this and I never gave up. When on days when I did not see results, wherein I saw my team members and people who had joined the business much after me were seeing results. So it was a challenging time. I know that anything that you do, and if you don't see results, it's very disheartening and you feel like giving up. But for me, my why was very, very strong. So I kept going even when I didn't see results. I kept learning and doing the training even when it looked like I was in the darkest of the tunnel and when there was no light visible. But slowly, gradually, as I started working, learning the skills, correcting my mistakes, learning from the training, I slowly came towards the entrance of the tunnel with the lights splashing out. and I am so proud that I am seeing it. So today I want to share some examples of people in real life who also saw setbacks, and they also didn't give up. So sometimes I feel the biggest blessings come after the longest waiting season. Yes, it has happened to me. I am the real example over here. So I want to give you an example of a famous film star. Mostly everybody will know, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. He faced years of rejection because of his very deep voice. He was Air India. No, the one of the radio station rejected him because of his loud voice or the deep voice. At one point, he had no work at all, but he never quit. And today, he is one of India's most loved legends, and a superstar in the Hindi film industry. And another example is Ratan Tata, who was actually mocked for dreaming big. His early business decisions did not show quick results, but he stood firm, built a global legacy that inspires millions of people, millions of youths who are inspired by Mr. Ratan Tata. And the boxing champion of India, Mary Kom, trained with limited facilities, with and she faced countless setbacks and still became a world champion, a true example of never give up. And we all know Infosys, the big giant IT company, I believe, was started with borrowed money and struggled for years to get clients. Today, it's one of India's top IT giants. So you could see all of these examples. People, if they had to give up, they could have given up, but they kept going on. Even when they failed, they kept going on. They kept trying, and at last they saw the daylight in their failures, and they achieved success. The right now, one of the things that is coming to my mind is Thomas Edison, who created the light bulb. Yes, so he failed many times, but he never gave up, and you know that we have electricity because of him. Yeah, and or the light, we have lights because of him. Maybe my thing is wrong, but this is what I know and I remember. And another amazing example is Oprah Winfrey. She was fired from an early TV job for being unfit for television. Yet, you see her now, she rose to become one of the most influential women in the world. And she's so famous, and she did it. And we also have Walt Disney was told he had no imagination and his first company failed. But he kept dreaming until magic became reality. And we all know the uh, coffee giant, or the coffee shop that we all, or the coffee that we love to have, Starbucks, was rejected by hundreds of investors before becoming a household name worldwide. And you also know the Walt Disney had many near bankrupt moments, yet they rebuilt it again and again and shaped generations. So these stories, they remind us that results don't show up first, faithfulness does. Keep sowing, your harvest will come. Another example I want to give is the day that you sow the seed is not the day that you will get the fruits of the seed that you have sown. So you need to nurture it. You need to water the seed. Then it will get stronger. It will come out of the soil, and it grow into a plant, and then into a tree, and then it will start giving the flowers and the fruits. Yes. So success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. So So let's keep pushing forward, keep believing your breakthrough is closer than you think. So let's believe that our breakthrough is closer than we can ever think. I always picturize this thing that comes in my mind, that there are two people digging into a tunnel in search of diamonds. Both of them are digging and digging, and one person, he gives up digging because he's tired, he's fed up, and he's failed. And the other person, he keeps on digging and he finds the diamond. And the first person who gave up, he was just a little close to that, to find the diamond in the tunnel. And the second person who kept on trying found the diamond. So keep trying. Let's keep uh, believing in ourselves and doing what we have to do our best, and rest God is going to take care, and he's going to be there by our side, helping us and supporting us. So if you are tired of waiting but not ready to give up, message me and I will help you to to help you to find that reason to believe in yourself. And I will help you to help you and show you that there is something that can lead you through your breakthrough, and that can see the breakthrough in your life, in your family life, in your future. So connect with me. You can comment below, and I will be glad to assist you and guide you and walk this journey along with you so we can walk it together. So stay connected and stay tuned. Tomorrow is my day 10 of my Go Live challenge, and I am so proud of myself. When I look back 4 years back, when this task was given to me, I was so nervous, so scared. But after 4 years, it's not that I am totally not nervous, but it's gotten better. I've got the confidence. I've got the confidence to speak on a social media platform, and that to live on a Facebook platform here. And I'm so proud of myself, how far I have come. So even I thought to myself, I cannot do it, but I didn't give up. I kept going on. I showed up for my business. I worked consistently on my business, and here I am, so proud of myself for the wisdom that God has given me to learn all these skills and to grow my business and myself, and grow as a better human being, grow as a better mother to my 3 boys, a better wife to my husband, a better daughter to my mother, a better daughter-in-law to my mother-in-law, and to my sisters, brothers. Yes. So this digital business has given me the hope and the love that I always wanted, and I'm so thankful and grateful for everything in my life. So I will see you all tomorrow. Have a happy and blessed week ahead. And to remind you all that today is the webinar day. So I will be part of the webinar panel. I'm one of the panelists who will be sharing my digital business journey in the webinar live. It will be happening tomorrow at 5 a.m. UAE time. And for people in the other country, it will be like 5 p.m. PST Tuesday, and 8 p.m. EST Tuesday. For people in UAE, I'm calling out to all of you. If you want to see me live on the webinar panel, can see my website. Yes, register on my website. And if you want to wake up early and watch the webinar, you can catch me live. You can sign up on my website and you will get the access to watch the free complimentary webinar. So stay tuned and connected. I am really excited to be there, to be part of the webinar panel and share my journey over there. And 4 years back, did I think it will be possible? No, but I kept dreaming, I kept working, and here I am. I'm so proud of myself, and all glory and thanks to Lord Jesus. Thank you, everyone. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.